Section 6. Vim support for external programs. Exploring the Less program. We are going to talk about Less. Less is a terminal pager program. It is used to view the contents of text file. We see one screen at a time. Let's look at some useful examples. The syntax is less, option, and file name. We can use less, dash, uppercase N, and file name to see the file with line numbers. Let's do it. Another useful option is dash, uppercase X, which is similar to cat. As you can see, we printed the text inside the file. When we press lowercase g, we are at the first line. When we press uppercase G, we are at the last line. For forward search, we can type slash and write the word that we want to search. We can use question mark for backward search. Also, space is used for next page and B is used for previous page. We type Q when we want to quit.